Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to connect WooCommerce to Facebook Shop. Now, there's going to be a lot of variables here, but ultimately, I'm going to need you to open up your WooCommerce, and hopefully, you've already have an account here like mine. And it's really not that complicated. First and foremost, and let's just go ahead and give you guys a tour here. This is my profile on the WooCommerce. You can see the dashboard here. Let's see. So click on the profile here, and you'll be routed to the account here, which ultimately you could, by the way, you could edit this one right here, your personal details. But if you want to connect Facebook, just go ahead and provision your account first on Facebook. Now let's say if you try to start creating a new listing on your Facebook shop here. Let's see. And just going to scroll down a bit. You could add photos here. Okay, so first and foremost, if you want to add products, make sure that the product, if it's original, you have to clarify it. Or if it's branded, you can just clarify it as well. Scroll down here. You can see here, you got the title. Let's just put some title here. Let's say you're trying to sell shoes here. Let's put the price. Okay. It's very important to have a listing, because if you don't have a listing, there's no way for you to connect WooCommerce to Facebook. So scroll a little bit down here. What type of material are we looking at? This is just an example for the video, so no biggie on this one. Is it good? Let's just put it at fair. And just scroll down a little bit here. And just finish up the listing, and once you're done, there's a brand. So what type of brand? Let's say just put Nike. Description. You're trying to sell your product here, guys, so be methodical about this one. This is a world recognized brand. Product tags, you can add there. That's optional if there is product tags. Now I want you to go back to WooCommerce later on, but right now let's just finish in provisioning this one first. Okay, here we go. You could absolutely pay for boosting your product, but I highly recommend, if you're starting out, to just skip this one right here to boost listing after publish. Because if your product is not good, it's really going to affect the way, because it's going to be shown to a lot of people, and if you don't have a good product, it's going to backfire. Let's go back to the WooCommerce here. Now that we've activated our provision, by the way, personal details, fill out your name here. Yeah, I really started this out fresh for you guys. I really do have an account that's working, although there's no way for me to really show you a tutorial in advance if you don't know where to start from here. So first and foremost, okay, go to dashboard. It's going to be routing you here. Now this is what you're looking for here. Once you click on the connect store, because you've shared email with Facebook and WooCommerce here, if you share the same email, you could basically connect them to right here. So this one's going to pop up right here. Here we go. So that is your Facebook credentials. Now be very careful about this, because if you forget your password, you're going to basically going to run into some troubles on verification. See the email here? The same email I'm using to WooCommerce. So that's it. you're basically connected once you enter your password and your basically your credentials. So here's the seller ratings. I'm not going to show you guys what I actually do for these, just to spare you guys the confusion, you know. And that's just basically it. We've connected the two, and right now I want to tackle a couple of things here, because right now this is not enough to really boost up your niche, so to say. So Equid, I highly recommend you guys to try Equid as a third party for drop shipping. If you guys don't know what drop shipping is, you should research that out. It's really beneficial, and it's helped me so far in basically selling my brand, selling other people's brand as well that I like to resell. I'm a reseller, and I'm also a product creator as well. So there's a bunch of sites that are going to be helping you with that. I happen to also have a TikTok shop that is linked with Facebook, so it's really helped me from there. Let's just go here, because once your account is linked, so to say, once these trio accounts, if you have a lot of accounts, especially websites, if you're intermingled with those sites, then you wouldn't have a lot of confusion switching site to site. And that's maybe, in my opinion, that's the key benefit of interlocking the platforms. Now this if you guys haven't delved into TikTok shop yet, I highly recommend that you guys will give this a try, because they have a lot of products here. If you want to be a reseller, it's a lot more easier to be a reseller than an actual content, an actual product manufacturer yourself, because you're going to be running into some troubles there, especially if you're just beginning to grasp the vastness of the entire e-commerce community, the e-commerce world of basically selling online. And a lot of people are going to be those who did it longer than you, maybe a couple of years ahead of you. You're going to be seeing very good results, especially so. Patience is perhaps the most important thing that I could give you as an advice, starting out as a business owner. So I highly recommend that you should try this one. So, and that's just it, guys. I certainly hope that this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.